Okay. So you can see from your side, the head 100 Newton of the fat boy is twice the mass of the thin girl. This is a thin girl. And therefore, because he's twice the mass of the thin girl, he has to sit half the distance from the pivot here so that he can balance. So this thin girl has a line of force here. This line of force times this distance is equals to this line of force times half the distance. 800 times, say, D, say this is D, small d over here, is equals to 400 times 2D. So in this case, D is 5 units away from the pivot, or 2D is 10 units away from the pivot. So that's very easy. 800 times D equals to 400 times 2D. Same. Okay? So now if you read the question below there, part A, what does it say? Question.
In which direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise, about P, will the seesaw tilt when the boy sits at a greater distance than D?
Yeah.
The boy is
So it says here, what happens if this sits nearer to the pivot? Yeah. From your direction, will it turn clockwise or anti-clockwise? Your direction. Will it turn clockwise or anti-clockwise?
clockwise.
Clockwise. Yeah. So you will turn clockwise. Why?
Because the boy is closer to.
Yeah, because the boy is closer, so his moment, his anti-clockwise moments will be less than the clockwise moments of the girl. Can you see? So the clockwise moments is greater than the anti-clockwise moments. Therefore, you will turn from your direction clockwise. Now, needless to say, if I were to put it over here, part B, part B.
In which direction will the seesaw tilt when the boy sits closer to pivot P?
Yeah, so if he now sits further away, look, clockwise or anti-clockwise? This seesaw will turn
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, yeah, like that. Because his anti-clockwise moment is greater than the clockwise moments, like that. Okay? Well, that seems to be quite simple. But what is not simple is this. Suppose he's like that. Part C, what did the part C say?
Assume that both the boy and the girl stay seated at the positions on the seesaw as shown on figure 5 and 6. Explain why the girl wants to get elevated. If the girl wants to get elevated, all she has to do is lean forward towards people.
So, in this case, let's balance that again. All that the girl wants to get elevated, all he needs to do is to sit, tilt forward. You tilt, yeah, tilt all the way, yeah, tilt like that. You tilt forward. So now the girl will go upright. Can you see? Yeah, because then her clockwise moment is now less than the anti-clockwise moment. Why? This is because her center of mass has now moved closer. Therefore, his line of force